vinyl fans, welcome to Let's Clean a Record. It's Memorial Day weekend 2024, and we're about to head out on vacation, so we can't do a full episode for you this week, but we thought we'd give you a quick preview of things to come. If you saw our episode a few weeks back, we reviewed Last Record Preservative and just loved that product. And the good folks at Last Factory sent us samples of their record cleaning fluids, the cleaning fluids, not the preservatives. We look forward to giving that a try. I've also been in contact with the folks at DeGritter. I think the DeGritter ultrasonic machine is one of the more fascinating products out there. And fingers crossed, they're going to send us a review sample. And lastly, we've put a stereo system into a vehicle. That's right, an audiophile quality stereo system. We're going to show you how that went down as well. So that's some things to look forward to. Hope you have a wonderful weekend.